One of the beauties of Couchbase is simplicity. Couchbase server nodes are identical, but that doesn't mean that you can't tune their services to suit your needs. Let's take a look. Couchbase nodes are literally identical in their potential and capabilities. At a high level, a node has a cluster manager and exposes 5 services: data, query, index, search, and analytics, which each provide appropriate caching and storage for their role. Now, the cluster manager provides management and coordination among a set of networked nodes. It's responsible for configuration and administration, coordinating rebalancing processes as nodes are added, removed, or fail. It provides process monitoring and statistics. It also exposes the UI and REST interface for the cluster, but it does no data processing. It's highly robust and delivers carrier-grade performance. Each node provides 5 services to maintain and expose your data in useful ways. The data service stores your data in buckets full of uniquely keyed documents, and it exposes get, insert, upsert, replace, and remove operations to let you manipulate individual documents or subdocuments. This service also manages data replication and aggregate view behaviors. Now, the query service keeps your life simple by exploding your NoSQL data capabilities with Nickel, which will be a highly familiar query language to anyone who works with data because it's SQL for JSON. This service manages query parsing and optimization and interacts with both the index and data services. Now, the index service centrally manages indexing for data in your buckets, and it does so with zero locking and even completely in memory if you choose. Couchbase now also provides full-text search capability to support natural language queries, so you don't have to pump text all over your data center just to support a search box on your website. We're also now exposing an analytics service providing continuous query, processing, and aggregation operations across your data, distributed and workload isolated to ensure solid performance. As we've said, Couchbase likes simplicity, and we like to keep your data centers simple. So we're based on a single node type to make all our services available. But the services can be scaled and isolated independently. You could stripe everything equally across all nodes, which is the default and works for small clusters. Then as you grow, you can isolate services to optimize their requirements to preferred hardware, and scale services independently to meet changing application demands. Now, over time, you meet increasing demand by adding additional nodes tuned for the services requiring increased capacity. In short, you get both maximum simplicity and maximum control. So what have we learned? Well, Couchbase nodes are identical and are clustered with carrier-grade performance. The data service exposes individual document operations along with replication and aggregation. The query service keeps your team's SQL skills directly relevant while extending them with the power and flexibility of JSON. The index service provides the fast, powerful indexing your queries demand. The search service gives you natural language query capabilities right in the database, so you don't have to spray text all over your data center just because you want a search box on the website. The analytics service supports isolated, distributed, ongoing query processing, and all these services can be striped or individually enabled and scaled to suit your demands. In the lessons ahead, we're going to drill further into these services, so come on back.